doing? Straighten my hair for a little razzle dazzle. You know what I'm saying? It's still me. Still me. Just different hairstyle. So how you been? What's going on with you? Guys, today we're going to make adobo, okay? But before we get into that, all right, we're gonna make chicken adobo, by the way. But before we get into that, I just want to remind all of you that I'm still doing the giveaway. So please do leave a comment, because that's the easiest way for me to see you, okay? So that you will be included in the raffle. Now, I also would like to announce that I am also going to do a Christmas giveaway, all right? Even if I don't reach 1,000, that's okay. I just want to help, you know, and just, you know, make your Christmas a little bit better, all right? And I will be announcing the winner on Christmas Day. I don't have a time yet on when I'm going to announce it, because I'm not sure when I'll get to doing that, but it'll definitely be on Christmas Day. So please, starting today, okay, starting today, every person who comments will be entered into the drawing for the Christmas giveaway, okay? So just comment so I can see your name. Again, that's the best way for me, and that's the easiest way for me to see you, okay? So just comment. You can say whatever you want to say. Try to be nice. You can say hello, or you can say I've watched the, whatever you want to say, okay? You can even just leave an emoji. Just make sure that, I just want to make sure that your name pops up and it populates when I'm looking for subscriber names to enter in the drawing, okay? So, let's get to this recipe. So this recipe I got from my mom when I was about 19. So I've had this recipe for 18 years now. Do the math and you'll figure out how old I am, okay? And so this, I've done this recipe plenty of times, like just numerous times I couldn't even count. This is the absolute most basic Filipino dish. Not to downplay adobo, not to downplay it at all, because it's, you know, it's a staple in Filipino cuisine. Not to downplay it, but it is pretty easy, okay? I know not everybody makes it the same, but I like to make my adobo the same way my mom makes it, because she's a great cook. Shout out to your mama, okay? So let's go over the ingredients, all right? We're gonna use vinegar. We're going to use soy sauce, and then we're gonna use chicken for this. You can use pork. I think you can use beef. I've never made beef adobo before, but pork adobo is really great. We're gonna use chicken, and then bay leaves. There you have it, okay? And then some ground black pepper. All right, so, and then, this is the most important ingredient, garlic, all right? So, the more, the better, okay? You can never have too much, okay? So, I don't know how you open up your garlic, but let's kind of just slice it up. Bye-bye. There goes the bulb. And once you've peeled it, do you just put it in there? A whole clove of garlic just peeled, or do you mash it? Like, I like to mash mine. It makes me feel as though the taste is more powerful that way. I feel like the taste gets saturated in there really well when you mash it. So, all right, so yeah, so that's why I like to mash mine, because it just makes me feel better, all right? So in just a little bit, guys, we're gonna call my mom, okay? She has no idea I'm calling her. She's no idea. And like I said, I've made this, she gave this to me when I was 19, okay? That was 18 years ago. All right, so I've had this recipe for that long. I've made this plenty of times before. So for me to call her and ask her how to make it should be interesting, okay? But I love my mom. My mom is a funny, funny, funny lady, okay? And she puts up with me, so, you know, how can I not love her, okay? Also, before we get to calling my mom, I just want to say, I want to give a special shout out to Abigail, okay? She's a special, 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 special girl, okay? And she has a special place in my heart. Thank you so much, you precious baby girl, okay, for the gift. It's really super nice. Thank you to you and your mom. It's so nice, guys. If you want to see what the gift is, here it is. See? Very nice, right? So thoughtful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I would touch mine, but I have garlic. Thank you. I love you. Love, love, love. Okay? So I wanted to let you know that I truly appreciate you. Okay? And you're beautiful and continue to be a good girl. Okay? And Santa will be good to you. All right? So let's get to mashing. How much garlic do you guys use? And how do you make your adobo? You know, I've made it with, this is Filipino chicken adobo, by the way, if you're just now tuning in. I've made it with hard-boiled eggs before. And it's really nice, it's really good. It just kind of consummated the dish. You know, I love hard-boiled eggs, that's why. So, there goes that. I think that's good. There's this little, I don't want to waste my time on this thing, okay? So, let's go ahead and call my mom, all right? Hello?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Mama.
Hello.
How you doing? Mom, how do you make adobo again? Yeah, Mom, I'm making chicken adobo. Hi, baby. Uh-huh. Okay. 2 and 2. Okay, so 2 and 2. Apo. Yes. Okay, so 2 na sandok pong puti, dalawa ng toyo, and then 2 ng sandok na puti ng vinegar. Okay, and then what? Uh-huh. I don't wash my chicken, Mom. No. No, I don't want to. Okay, Mom. Okay, so that's it. Eh, kung hindi ko po hugasan, may tubig. Lalagyan ko po ng tubig.
Lagyan siya ng kalahating basong tubig.
Okay.
Kalahati lang.
Alright.
Halo-haloin sila.
Eh, kasi minsan ibang lasa, minsan ganun, tapos nag-iibang minsan. Kaya gusto ko yung yung mismong lasa man na niluluto mo po.
Hindi ko kasi nakikita ang dami ng chicken mo eh.
About 3 pounds.
3 pounds.
Yung maliliit lang po may chicken wings.
Chicken wings yan. Marami-rami na yan 3 pounds. So isang dilaw na makaba, gano'n?
Dalawa po nung sa Wegmans na chicken. No, it's white. It's see-through.
Pwede na yun. Tikman mo na lang. Ngayon, kung kulang yung tuyong ko, dilat-dalat mo ng kalahati. Kung kulang.
Okay.
Kasi hindi ko kita yung eksaktong sukat. Ngayon, wag mong masyama mong ilalagay ka ng apoy. At least mga 45 minutes.
Okay, Mom. Okay, thank you po.
Lakasan mo lang din ng kaunti yung apoy. Huwag naman masyadong malakas.
Okay, Mom.
Yung paminta, itilalat mo yung paminta.
1/4 na teaspoon, di po ba?
Hindi, 1/2. Sinasabi 1/4, 1/2.
Half a teaspoon? Okay.
Dapat maglalagay ka rin kasi ng konting veggies.
Oh, no thanks, Mom. I don't use MSG. It's bad for you.
Diyos ko, simula kayo pinanganak, tinumubang gamit sa ako niyan.
Oh, so that's why I'm like this now.
Bahala kasi. Yun lang. Tikman mo kung tama.
Sabi na eh, kaya galing sa MSG may, kaya nagkaganito ako eh.
Hindi nagkaano ka?
Okay, Mom, I'm gonna start cooking now.
Sige.
Okay.
Muna.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Okay, bye-bye.
Baboo! Guys, that was my mama. See, my mom is old school, okay? Her method of measuring is by using this spoon. See, I already had it ready. I told you I've been doing this recipe for a very long time, but I just wanted to make it seem like I don't know what I'm doing, and she came through for me. She came through for your girl, guys. All right. So, you want to know why I don't wash raw chicken, and I know a lot of people might cringe, or old school chefs and grandmas and moms, they may cringe. You heard my mom. But here's why, okay? Washing raw chicken is so bad because what happens is the splashes from the water, you're actually spreading germs and bacteria all over your kitchen surface, okay? And that's very dangerous, all right? So you're spreading germs and bacteria. I mean, think about it. Washing chicken with water is not going to kill germs and bacteria. It's just not going to do it. I mean, do you wash yourself with just water? No. You use soap to kill germs and bacteria, right? So washing it doesn't do anything, okay? It's all in the mind. We just think that we're actually cleaning it thoroughly. Again, no judgment on those who wash their chicken. You do as you please if that's what you're used to. By all means, that's your method. This is my method, okay? So whatever makes you happy, but I personally just don't wash raw chicken, all right? For that specific reason, because you're just spreading germs and bacteria everywhere. I mean, high temperatures will kill all the germs anyway. I mean, I do wash most other things like veggies and rice and, but just not raw chicken. It's just not something that I do. So let's move on right along. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken in here. All right, so this is about 3 pounds of chicken. I decided to do chicken wings. Normally I do chicken thighs. They're a little bit bigger, but for this recipe and for today, we're gonna use chicken wings. And like I said, my mom she's so old school. She doesn't really measure. She measures in her own way, and so I do the same when it comes to cooking dishes that I learned from her, okay? But when it comes to baking, it's gotta be precise, guys, and you know that. All right, so she uses 2 spoonfuls of this white spoon, okay? So that's 1. This is soy sauce. What I'm using here is Filipino soy sauce. There you are. And let me know in the comment below how you make your adobo. How do you do it? I also don't use MSG, guys. It's just so bad for you. My mom, she swears by it because, you know, it makes everything just taste. It's like a pinch of magic, right? And I don't disagree. I just, you know, I personally just don't wish to use it when I cook. So there you go. We've got vinegar. There you have it. And then next up would be our, she said change it to a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of ground pepper, garlic. All right, guys, and then, so everything's in the pot. I also added bay leaves, so here you are. Didn't mean to spill, but that's okay because I clean my countertop as soon as I'm done cooking anyway to eliminate the spread of germs and bacteria and to kill any existing germs and bacteria on the surface. So now we're gonna go ahead and cook it, okay? Medium high for about 45 minutes. All right, we'll be back. Okay. So guys, we are all done with our adobo. I'm trying not to eat rice, so there's no rice, but you would normally want to have this with rice. You see, it's like falling off the bone. Hey, let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. A little bit of sauce. So Filipino, so good, so adobo. And on that note, you're not supposed to talk with your mouth full. Love, love, love. See you guys later. Thanks for spending time with me. Oh, by the way, before I sign off, if you would like to reach out to me, if you just want to chat, anything you want to say, feel free to email me. That is the way I will respond to you and not via anything else, okay? Please email me. Email is thethrillafrommanila@gmail.com, okay? thethrillafrommanila@gmail.com. There it is.